Today's rapidly evolving business environment gives teams little time to develop, implement, and optimize technology solutions. And while priorities should focus on building solutions with real value to customers, most teams launch then neglect to nurture necessary architectural and security development. Deliver faster, customizable, secure by design project management solutions aligned to exact enterprise needs with Agile Development Factory. Streamline processes, prevent security gaps, and achieve better governance, transparency, feedback integration, and quality control over tasks with a team of specialists ready to facilitate every step of solution implementation. Using Agile Development Factory, organizations establish flexible processes and clear expectations for brief or long-term outsourced deliverables by breaking projects down into short iterations and employing an agile methodology with defined roles, responsibilities, and meetings. Curious if Agile Development Factory is right for your business? With Agile Development Factory, organizations save time and cut costs utilizing a high-performance, agile-driven group of experts focusing on developing secure and quality deliverables sprint by sprint until final delivery.